what's up? Kamusta po kayo lahat? So, I hope everyone's doing well. So, for today's Scorpio, gagawa tayo ng reading for you for the month of August. Titingnan lang natin kung ano ba ang mga ganap sa buhay mo for the month of August. Please take note lang, Scorpio, that this reading is just a general reading. So, maaari siyang mag-resonate, maaari hindi. Only take what resonates, leave what doesn't. Also, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe for more videos in the future. Okay? So, let's go ahead and check. So, pito to. Walo pala. Okay, let's see. Isa-isahin natin ang mga possible na mangyari sa inyo for the month of August. Yan, dami. Pero okay lang yan. Okay, got here Dark Man. Sabi dito, dealings or relationship with a man with dark complexion or hair. So, maring this could be someone that's significant for you in the month of August. Maybe kakilala mo, could be your person, could be your boss, could be a family member or what. Let's see. Then we have here Hand. In need of help, assistance, and guidance. So, I think it's either ikaw itong may pangangailangan ng tulong for the month of August, Scorpio, or you will be assisting or guiding other people in times and in need of help. Then we've got here Beetle, good fortune. Okay, so may paparating daw na magandang hinaharap sa inyo when it comes to career and finances. Kaparahan, no? Mawawala na ang mga balakid when it comes to finances. But you're the sun, happiness and well-being. So, there will just be happiness and joy lang daw for the month of August. Then we've got your Shark. Take care or there will be a loss of material wealth. So, mag-ingat-ingat daw po tayo, guys. Lalo sa mga taong I'm seeing nakakabangga natin or makakadil natin for the month of August kasi lalo kapag work yan. Mag-ingat tayo how we respond, how we react, be professional, and be respectful at all times, okay? Kasi baka maapektahan ang ating material wealth. Then we've got here Tankard, celebration, fun, and enjoyment. Ito rin yan. Sun, Tankard. Okay? So, maaaring umattend kayo ng mga festivals, ng mga concerts, ganyan. Celebration, maaaring may mga gathering, maaaring mga meet up together. Okay? Sorry guys, hindi yung background noise, pero ino-noise cancel ko naman tong video, so dapat bawasan or hindi sila marinig. Here, Gong, an exciting event. So, see, Tankard, I'm thinking about concerts, events, ganyan, celebration, a party, a place where people meet to celebrate. And then we got here Lobster, financial pinch. So, maaaring kailangan mag-save ng money. Okay, kailangan paano financial pinch ito? Ngayon ko lang nakita itong card na ito. Pero what I'm sensing here is kailangan ng push. It's either a push para mag-improve ang finances or kailangan maluktot kapag maiksi ang kumot. Parang gano'n ang dating sa akin. Something about movement when it comes to your finances. Okay? Alright, Scorpio. Let's go ahead and check your main reading. Scorpio for the month of August. Kamusta naman si Scorpio? Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Scorpio for the month of August. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta naman si Scorpio? Overall, love life, career, finances, and so on and so forth. So overall, ni Scorpio for the month of August is the Knight of Swords. So maybe merong gusto makipag-usap sa inyo fast, or ikaw tong may gustong gawin ng mabilisan, or gustong parang in a hurried approach or in a hurried mode. Parang meron kang gustong gawin sa buhay mo in the month of August in general. In love, kamusta naman si Scorpio? We've got here Two of Pentacles. Maaaring nalilito ka, Scorpio, between two decisions when it comes to love as to whether may ililit go kang person or like parang I think you're juggling whether you will accept love or just leave love as it is. Or kung may person kang pinakawalan, Scorpio, is parang iniisip mo to let go of it fully na ba talaga? Or wag muna. Parang mga ganun. Larangan ng career, kamusta naman si Scorpio? You've got your Page of Cups. So may mag-o-offer. Maaari sa'yo ng isang trabaho na maaaring creative. Okay? Or maaaring may simulan ka na job na may pagka-creative. And you may use your intuition. Okay? Something that will trigger you to start something creative. Finances, kamusta naman si Scorpio? We've got here the Judgment card. So, I think magre-reassess ka dito. Magre-reassess ka ng mga dapat mong gastusin lang, sa hindi, dapat mong bilhin lang, parang titingnan nyo kung alin lang yung dapat nyong bilhin. Kasi baka napapasobra na lang gastos. Then, we've got here sa health, 6 of Pentacles. Makes me feel or think na meron kang ibibigay sa iba when it comes to your health. I don't know kung magdo-donate ka ba ng organs mo, something like that, or ikaw yung pagdo-donatean. But I'm feeling that you will be giving something away from yourself towards other people. Something like donating siguro to. And then on your relationship with your family, you got here the Devil. So maring things are toxic or parang merong codependency behavior sa family mo. Maybe you're not good with a certain male figure in your life na nagtitrigger lagi ng emotions mo, I think, or ng anger mo, Scorpio. You're being advised to let go of that chain or kung mawala ka na dun sa parang pagkakabind mo in connection with that person. May mga toxicities, addictions, obsessive behaviors. Okay? Not ideal situation when it comes to family. How about sa relationship mo with other people? You got your 8 of Pentacles. So I think you're living harmoniously with other people, no? I just think na you're a very hardworking person as well. Maaring, I think you're like putting other people, kung ano lang yung dapat nilang malaman, dun lang sila. Is what I think. Parang you're setting aside, like you're living harmoniously with other people, but maybe, just maybe, okay, you're only letting them know kung ano yung dapat nilang malaman. Not really about your full life. Mga ganon. Or maybe spending time with people. For some of you naman, or to build better relationship. For some of you. Overall outcome or advice for the month of August for Scorpio is the 2 of Wands. So, meron kang bagay na pagdidesisyonan and maaring malito ka dito sa simula. Bagay siguro ito sa family mo or what. Now, let's start clarifying. Let's start clarifying the cards. What is the Knight of Swords for the overall energy? You've got your Magician and the 4 of Cups. So maybe, meron kang bagay na ikinadi-disappoint for the month of August or before the month of August and you just want to manifest na mabago na yon. May mabago sa buhay mo para maging fulfilled ka na, feeling fulfilled ka na in your life. What is the 2 of Pentacles for the love life of Scorpio? We've got here the Chariot card and the Death card. So, meron nga dito parang pabalik-balik ka sa pag-iisip kung whether you will end a situation or not. Then you will start something and then magbaback out ka. Maiisip mo na naman na, should I really end that relationship? Should I meet someone na ba? But parang hindi ka pa mapag-decide. What is the Page of Cups for career? You got your 10 of Swords. So, maaring may endings na mangyari when it comes to your career. Maaring nasa-stress ka with your career. 9 of Swords pala. Maaring nasa-stress ka when it comes to your career. And with the 5 of Wands, maybe may mga kakompetition ka sa iyong career. Let me just check real quick. So, maaaring mag-a-action ka na about regarding sa isang bagay sa buhay mo, sa career mo, in a way na you will take action because parang nasa-stress ka na. Okay? You will take action kasi nasa-stress ka na. And parang gagawa ka ng move para maging fulfilling yung career life mo. But again, we got a message a while ago that be careful in how you deal with other people, especially when it comes to your career. Okay, what is the Judgment card for finances? What is the Judgment card for finances? There are 8 of Wands and 8 of Wands and the 6 of Wands. So, I think gagawa ka ng mga kaparaanan. Scorpio, when it comes to kung saan ka lang magbe-benefit when it comes to your finances, especially the way ka gumastos, maaaring i-reassess mo yung spending habits mo, money habits mo. Okay, maaaring naging magastos ka, bumibili ka ng mga bagay na hindi naman kailangan, and I think magde-decide ka na i-let go mo yung habit na yun, na hindi mo naman kailangan, i-let go mo. What is the 6 of Pentacles for health? Oh, may nasamang card. Wait lang, guys. May nasamang card dito. Dito. What is the 6 of Pentacles? 7 of Cups. And the 3 of Swords. So, parang meron kang magiging ano ka siguro dito. Parang meron daw energy na parang ayaw mo na may masaktan, ayaw mo na mahirapan. So, you will end it. Parang ganun. By doing something, by I think donating na. You will like parang give something on other people or towards someone. Kasi parang ayaw mo na silang mahirapan. It's like your way of helping that person. What is the Devil card for family? You have your Page of Pentacles and the 8 of Pentacles. So, maaring I'm feeling forced na parang may gawin. Maaring merong family member na nagna-nudge sa'yo na kumilos ka naman. Ano ba naman yan? Wala kang ginagawa, mga ganon. Na nauurat ka ng mga ganon. Okay, kahit naman parang meron kang ginagawa, pero parang sinasabi pa rin nila, pinupush ka pa rin nila. What is this 8 of Pentacles for relationship mo with other people? You have here the King of Cups, so I need to balance things out. Be more giving and loyal. So, maaring you wanna let go of something na so, it's like maybe mailap ka sa mga tao and you don't want to be mailap na. Should I say? I'm confused. What is the King of Cups here? for the Eight of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, and the Six of Swords. So you want to be more open with people. You want to be more open. You want to be more parang approachable. Sabi ko nga kanina, nakita ko kasi hindi mo masyadong pinapaalam sa mga tao yung kung ano talaga nangyayari sa buhay mo. Maybe you want to seem more approachable. You want to be more look at as more approachable para magkaroon ka rin ng mga friends. Then we've got here Two of Wands. That's your overall outcome. You have your the Three of Wands. So you may start something new. You may start something new and end something that's been bothering you or keeping you down. Mag-start ka ng mga habits na mas magkakatulong sa'yo or mas makapagpa-improve ng buhay mo. It's your overall outcome. Now, let's wrap up the reading of what you should focus. What's your area that you need to improve by the month of August? Scorpio, you've got your unplug. Okay, so unplug means kailangan mo lumayo sa mga tao. Oh, okay. So maybe yung basa ko kanina is in a way na parang maybe you're dealing too much with other people and you're being advised to be more to introspect more, or parang mas mag-focus ka sa sarili mo, assess mo yung sarili mo, muni-muni ka muna about sa life mo. Okay? Also, do social media detox, digital detox. Huwag masyadong gumamit ng cellphone, huwag masyadong gumamit ng social media para mas makatulong sa ating mind. Okay, makatulong sa ating overall well-being. Maaaring makatulong din ang pagta-travel sa mga may nature na lugar, ganyan, no? Huwag masyado sa computer, huwag masyado sa gadget. And advice for Scorpio is be proud of yourself. So, be proud of yourself daw, Scorpio. I think you will achieve things. And sabi dito na, if you think na wala ka nararating, don't be. Kasi you have a lot of achievements already and madadagdagan pa. Okay? It's like malayo na yung narating mo sa buhay and magniningning ka for the month of August. Okay? That's all that I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, Scorpio. Thank you so much for watching your reading. Please don't forget to click like, share, subscribe for more videos in the future. Alright? Scorpio, thank you so much for watching. You have a good one. Bye!